The Catamaran Company is a small charter company operating in the BVI since 1992. The Marina is located on the east side of Tortola at Hodges Creek near Fat Hogs Bay with a beautiful view towards Virgin Gorda. The Catamaran Company's Marina is a 10-minute taxi ride from the Tortola Beef Island Airport and a 15-minute taxi ride from the Roadtown Ferry Dock. The Marina is shared with a few other charter companies as well as Sail Caribbean Divers and Hodges Creek Hotel and Restaurant. The onshore facilities include the customer service office, bathrooms and showers, a restaurant, and swimming pool. There is a convenience store nearby, but the best shopping is in Roadtown. The Catamaran Company exclusively charters catamarans and is known for their pristine fleet of lagoon catamarans. The fleet of about 20 yachts consists of catamarans ranging in size from 34 to 52 feet, including the popular Lagoon 450s and 500s.
My name is Marianne, and I'm the base manager for the Catamaran Company in Tortola. We have a fleet of great catamarans. We love working with Joanne and Melody at VI Sailing, and have had great clients coming and enjoying the boats, the service, and mostly the islands.
We find the Catamaran Company to be reliable in delivering excellent charters. The on-site staff is easy to work with and ensures our clients have a great time. Our bareboat experts, Melody and Joanne, know the Catamaran Company's fleet well and will assist you in determining the best yacht for your group's needs. Please keep in mind our bareboat experts are the most experienced in the industry. For availability, questions, and personalized recommendations, please contact Melody and Joanne today.
He's thinking of the island. The sandy shores are shining. The glare up from the ocean, a hypnotizing motion. He's thinking of the island. He'll